Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's get into the XRP news of the day. We're going to talk about an XRP breakout target as well as some big news where Brad Garlinghouse has reacted to some of the SEC news. I'm going to break it all down for you guys in this short video. Appreciate you guys giving me a couple minutes of your weekend. If you have not already done so, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join us here on the channel, and let's get right into it, okay? First and foremost, please remember none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. But as we talk about XRP, we did briefly rebound yesterday, and then that was all gone by the wayside as now we have entered the negative territory once again. Now in the red, XRP still third in market cap, $2.58. A lot of cryptos are on a dip, and that's not necessarily a bad thing if you are long on said cryptos. And as XRP trades 3.9% down on the day, would not mind taking a bite out of the opportunities that we do have. I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto, but my sentiment for XRP and what they look to provide long term has not wavered. It's kind of where my sentiment lies within all of crypto. Right now, there's just so much volatility, so much macro things that are impacting the charts that buyers and sellers really don't have a taste of the market to really make any kind of predictions and to kind of have any confidence longer than 24 to 72 hours in terms of any kind of crypto play. So if you're holding, great. This is kind of boring, but if you're looking to trade, this is something where there are a lot of dips, a lot of opportunities, and conversely, it's very volatile, which isn't necessarily a bad thing if you are a trader, okay? But back into the news, this is kind of where we're going to share the breakout target as XRP has secured a daily cup and handle pattern. We're going to go into Tom Selhoff, a notable analyst, confirming that cup and handle pattern on the daily. This is where in the latest XRP analysis, since dropping from the February 15th high of $2.83, XRP has struggled to secure a breakout and trading between the $2.40, $2.70 level. And this is kind of where we look into the broader market structure. XRP collapsed, the bears took over the charts, and that's kind of what we've had going on in the narrative since February has commenced, okay? But since this downturn, we got as low as $2. And within this consolidation that we've had, XRP is in a steep consolidation, but they are still in the dropping mindset, okay, where the bears are looking to relinquish their power. I think that the bulls can take over the chart. I just truly believe in XRP and what they look to bring to the table. So long term, I'm not really concerned about what's going on the day-to-day within the charts, unless you're, like I said, swing trading and looking for signals and stuff. That's where technical analysis will be your friend in that mindset. But if you're in XRP for the long haul, this is just kind of the daily news of the day, okay? And that's kind of where you look at the pullback that we've had in this consolidation as formed. We did form this cup and handle structure, which you look into this is kind of where you can go into where this would continue. And that would be obviously continuing a bullish narrative within this cup and handle pattern for a more larger breakout. And that's kind of where, if you are looking to get in XRP, not a bad idea. I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto, but at this discounted price, if the cup and handle is confirmed, then there is going to be a lot of price action to support this breakout. And then obviously in return, you would be making some gains, okay? And this is kind of where you look into the potential for 20 to 30%. That's what Tom is talking about here. If we do get a breakout from the depth of the cup that we have seen, if you do believe in that, then that's kind of where we're looking at the breakout, over that $2.70 resistance level. And that would be something from where we're closed at right now. That's a pretty significant swing trade, okay? And that's kind of where you look at 20 to 30% potentially in returns if you do believe that this pattern is true, okay? So keep that in mind. It's not the end-all be-all. It's not the gospel, but that's kind of where we stand today, where you look at the pattern on the chart for XRP. Super bullish if you do believe that the cup will be validated and we will have a strong upward projection, okay? Now, off the charts and off of that narrative, I do want to touch upon Brad Garlinghouse and a huge reaction to the SEC's decision to dismiss the Coinbase case, okay? This was out from a recent post on X, where Brian Armstrong claimed that the company has reached an agreement, that's the Coinbase CEO, mind you, within the SEC to drop the regulator's legal action against the exchange. That has created a lot of excitement within the crypto community. I think that's kind of why we saw a pump yesterday, albeit it was kind of a buy the rumor, sell the news event, as always. But Brad Garlinghouse reacted enthusiastically to this post, noting that the SEC is moving on very quickly from the flawed policy framework. And that's kind of where you look. There'd be no penalties against Coinbase. And now the big decision right here is, could Ripple be next? Okay, so what we've seen is Jeremy Hogan predicting that the SEC may make some big moves moving forward, and also that the SEC lawsuit coming out from the SEC official John Reed Stark forecasting that the case against Ripple may be withdrawn very shortly. Okay, Hogan has also backed up this claim, so we'll see what happens. Obviously, things can change in a moment's notice, but with the SEC filing its opening brief against Ripple for this legal proceeding, this is where we have till April 16th to submit a cross appeal brief. But I look for possibly, the April-May timeline, and that's when we can officially see this XRP litigation and that book ending up being shut for a very, very strong finale to this litigation that has been going on for years and years. Okay, so that is the XRP news of the day. We'll see if that breakout pattern and target does come true. Appreciate you guys all watching, and we'll see what happens as we look and cover XRP every single day on the channel. So if you are new here, make sure before you exit this video, you do hit that like button, you do hit the subscribe button, and also be sure to give me a follow on X. My handle is @TCryptoMark. Appreciate you guys all being part of the team, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.